Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the Black Hornet Nano, a pocket-sized drone that has been making waves in the military world. This drone is so small and lightweight that it can fit in the palm of your hand, but don't let its size fool you. In this video, we will explore what the Black Hornet Nano is, what it can do, and why the military loves it. The Black Hornet Nano is a tiny drone that was developed by a Norwegian company called Prox Dynamics. It is the world's smallest and most advanced UAV, weighing less than a couple of ounces. The drone is designed to be used for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. And it is equipped with a high-resolution camera that can capture both video and still images. Let's take a look at some of the things that the Black Hornet Nano can do. Despite its small size, the Black Hornet Nano is a powerful tool that can provide valuable intelligence to military personnel. The drone can be used to gather intelligence on enemy positions, movements, and activities. Its small size and quiet operation make it difficult to detect, allowing it to get close to targets without being noticed. The drone can be used to scout out areas before troops are deployed. It can provide real-time video and images of the terrain, allowing military personnel to plan their operations more effectively. The drone can be used to search for missing persons or downed aircraft. Its small size allows it to fly into tight spaces that larger drones or helicopters cannot access. The military loves the Black Hornet Nano because it provides valuable intelligence without putting troops in danger. Its small size and quiet operation make it an ideal tool for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Additionally, its ability to fly into tight spaces makes it useful for search and rescue operations. The Black Hornet 3 personal reconnaissance system has won contracts worth millions from militaries around the world due to its incredible features. Black Hornet drones had an estimated price tag of about $195,000. The drone has been used by military forces around the world, including the US Army and the British Army. Its ability to gather intelligence and provide situational awareness is unmatched by any other drone its size. The Black Hornet Nano is a pocket-sized drone that has been making waves in the military world. Despite its small size, it is a powerful tool that can provide valuable intelligence to military personnel. Its ability to fly into tight spaces and gather intelligence without putting troops in danger makes it an ideal tool for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Thank you for joining us. Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on cutting-edge military technology and fascinating topics.